In this video, I will show you how I managed to make 60% return on my capital just by trading one lot in Nifty options. Yes, in one lot also you can make this much amount of profit. You don't need to have a 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh capital with just 25 and 30,000 rupees. How I managed to make 60% return on my capital trading Nifty options. Yes, this is true. With 25-30,000 capital also you can make a lot of money in the market if you know the risk management, if you know the proper setup, and you know when to take the trades. Now let me show you how I manage, what was the setup and what was the reason behind taking the trade. I'm sure you will learn a lot. Now people often ask me that why just small profit? If you know your strategy is so good, why don't you take a big lot and take big risk? Now let me ask you one thing. How many people come with 1 lakh, 5 lakh capital in the market? People start usually with 25 and 30,000 rupees in market. And this is my message to all those young investors and traders who want to do the full time trading in market. Yes, with small capital also, if you know the right strategy, if you know the right setup, you can make a lot of money with just one capital, with small capital. And trading by one lot also, you can make a good money. Now, let me show you the reason behind taking the trade and the logic behind taking the trade. So without wasting any time, let's jump into my screen. So yes, this is TradingView and I took this trade on 1st September. Right? Now let me show you the reason behind the taking the trade. Now you will learn a lot from this video. You will learn how to find the proper support and resistance, how you should hold your winners and cut your losers very fast. Now, so if you observe the market, right, now Nifty was constantly taking resistance from this level, right? From this level, the Nifty was constantly taking a resistance. That level was around 24,700. Now, first time the market came here, right? Let me draw this. The first time market came here, second time market came here, third time the market came here. Now if you have watched my technical analysis video, I have mentioned it clearly that our proper resistance is, I'll call it a resistance, proper resistance, if it touched three times. Below three times I will not consider this as a proper resistance. So now what happened, look, the resistance has touched it three times, right? One, two, three. Now when third time it broke, right, around here, right? So what I did was, as soon as I saw the third time it broke, and let me zoom out. Now here it broke this level and retested the zone, and from here I bought a call option, right? Now somewhere closer to here I booked. Now I'll explain you. People will say that, oh, you booked at the top. How did you manage to book at the top? Let me show you why I booked at the top. And luckily I exited at right time, because as you see, after booking my profit, the market fell, right? This is not luck. I will not say this is a luck. This is my hard work, which I have polished my skill of trading with due over a time, right? I also have made mistakes in my life. I understand my mistakes and polished my trading strategies and trading skills. That is why I'm able to book at the top and buy at the breakout. Now that you have understood that why I took a call option, right? Breakout of this zone, I bought a call option. Now let me show you the reason why I exited from my positions. The reason why I exited, now whenever a market gave a big move, what it do is it's consolidate at higher levels. So as you can see, there is a consolidation, right? There is a consolidation, the market is consolidating. It broke out, but it was a failed breakout. As you can see, this is a failed breakout, right? Let me now mark this for you. This is a failed breakout. It will be easy for you to understand. Failed breakout. So it was a failed breakout, right? The market failed, and then when it broke its box, I exited here. So my exit was here. As soon as the box broke, I exited. Now that you have understood the reason why I took this trade, the psychological behind my exit, why exit, my exit strategy and my buying strategy, I'm sure you would have learned a lot from this video. Now I'm sure you would have learned a lot from my trading strategy. You know the reason why I bought the call option, and you know the reason why I exited from the market. Now if you want more these type of videos, do let me know in the comment section and I will make videos like this on a regular basis. Now, with live trading videos, there is a lot of learning, lot of psychological behind these levels, and I held my trade for more than 2 days, right? So this gives me confidence. This gives me the reason why I bought call option. I held it for 2 days, and you know also my exit strategy. So if you like this video, do like, share, and comment. Let me know what was the best part in this video, what new things you learned, and if you want me to make a regular videos like this, do let me know in the comment section, and I will reply to each one of your queries, or I'll definitely make if I get positive response. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and stay safe.